Hey guys! Woo woo! Ooh, today we made slime, and basically it's for me and my friend's shop that we're making at school because everyone's making it in my class. And basically, I'm making the slime, she has the toys, and yeah, I'm basically just the owner of the slime. But we have our own little company logo. Obviously, I'm not gonna know that. It has my school on it, so no. Anyways, getting started with the first one. We have this in a tiny little mini container. I think either this one will be my tester or the one that's coming up. So this one I think is really good. I think that's pretty good. It's been left in the case though for a while. I don't think it's gonna be that good once it's actually set, just to be honest. Next, by the way, I rate this one like a 5 out of 10. Don't mind my writing, but the next one is, if you guys can't see, my tester. This one's kind of really sticky, so I'm gonna play with it inside the box. It's sticky, just so that people can get, buy the slime. Yeah. Next, oh yeah, I rate this one just for being the sticky little tester, or this one might be the tester if they don't like this one. This one's like butter slime, this one's like sticky slime. I rate this one like maybe a 4 or 3 for being the sticky slime. Then we got this one. This one right here is part of this one. I took it out and I put shaving cream in this because it was way too sticky. And this one makes the greatest bubbles. I'm not going to take it out, obviously, because I don't want to make a mess because I just washed my hands. But yeah, next we got the last one. I didn't make a lot today, but I definitely rate this one like a 9 out of 10. No, 9.5 out of 10. Ready here? It was already halfway open. This one we got some red popping, and this is the stretch test. Ooh, this one's good, but it's also being kept in the case. It's, as you can see, not that good once it's being played with. But I rate this one a 7 out of 10, because 7 out of 10 is good. Anyways, I love y'all so much. God loves you, and everyone else does. Bye, y'all.